Are your images looking more squished banana than sleek widescreen wonder? Fear not. Today, we're banishing those visual nightmares and transforming your photos into glorious 169 masterpieces using the super simple tool, Nano Banana. First, grab the image you want to convert, just drag it right onto the Nano Banana window. See how easy that is. Next, locate the aspect ratio drop-down menu, click it, and select the magical 169 option. This is the golden ratio for most video platforms and widescreen displays. Now Nano Banana will automatically adjust your image. You'll likely see options to either crop the image, removing some of the edges, or letterbox it, which adds black bars at the top and bottom. If you choose to crop, carefully adjust the selection box to focus on the most important parts of your image. Make sure your key subjects are still visible. If you prefer letterboxing, the entire image will be visible, preserving every detail. Though you'll have those black bars, it's all about personal preference. Once you're happy with your selection, simply click the Save button, choose a location and name for your newly formatted image. And there you have it, from distorted disaster to perfectly proportioned picture. Now your images will look fantastic in your videos and on any widescreen display. Go forth and create visually stunning content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.